here, back with Will It Play It. Today I picked up a i7 the 7700K processor and a motherboard, Intel motherboard here. I picked this up on OfferUp, right? I think it's OfferUp now, not LetGo. I picked this up on LetGo, and or whatever the heck they are. They merged together, so let's just call it OfferUp LetGo. I picked it up today for $72. The guy had it posted up for $75, and he told me it didn't work though, and he had a few bent pins on the motherboard that I bent back into place, and needless to say, now it works. Seems to be pretty cool too. I was hoping that the Windows would detect the graphics card and update the drivers. I'm not sure what graphic card I'm using, so I might have to detect that under CPZ or whatever the heck it's called. But yeah, there it is, man. I thought I would let you guys see the deals out there. They're still out there. Not on graphics card, unfortunately, but processors and motherboards, they're still there in existence. So heck yeah. Till next time, peace out.